Hey garden lovers, welcome back to another exciting episode of Your Channel Name. Today we're diving into one of the most rewarding home gardening experiences you can have, growing cucumbers. And trust me, the productivity of these plants will leave you absolutely amazed. Ready to turn your garden into a cucumber paradise? Let's get started. Cucumbers are not just a refreshing snack or a salad favorite, they are one of the easiest and most productive plants to grow at home. Whether you have a spacious garden or just a small balcony, cucumbers can thrive almost anywhere. But what makes them so surprising? It's their ability to produce an abundance of fruit with just a little care and attention. First things first, choose the right variety for your space. If you have a garden bed or raised bed, go for varieties like Marketmore or Straight 8, known for their high yield. If you're short on space, opt for bush varieties like Bush Pickle or Space Master, which do just as well in containers. Cucumbers love well-drained, fertile soil. Before planting, enrich your soil with organic compost or well-rotted manure. This will ensure your plants have all the nutrients they need to produce an abundant harvest. You can start cucumbers from seeds or transplants. If you're starting from seed, plant them about an inch deep in warm soil. Space your plants about 18 to 24 inches apart to give them room to spread. For container growing, choose a large pot, at least 12 inches deep, and plant 1 or 2 seeds per pot. Here's a tip to maximize your yield: use a trellis. Cucumbers are natural climbers, and giving them vertical support not only saves space but also increases airflow around the plants, reducing the risk of disease. Plus, it makes harvesting easier. Watering is key to a productive cucumber plant. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid wetting the leaves to prevent mildew. Mulching around the base of the plants helps retain moisture and keeps weeds at bay. Fertilize every few weeks with a balanced organic fertilizer to keep those plants producing. Now the most exciting part, harvesting. Cucumbers can grow fast, so check your plants daily. Pick them when they're firm, green, and about 6 to 8 inches long. And here's the surprising part, cucumbers keep producing. The more you pick, the more they'll grow. With proper care, a single plant can yield dozens of cucumbers over the growing season. Did you know that under optimal conditions, a cucumber plant can produce up to 10 pounds of fruit? That's about 30 to 40 cucumbers per plant. It's no wonder cucumbers are one of the most rewarding crops for home gardeners. Imagine having fresh cucumbers at your fingertips all summer long. To get the most out of your cucumber plants, remember these tips. Prune the vines to encourage more fruiting branches. Water regularly and deeply, especially during dry spells. Watch for pests like cucumber beetles and aphids. Deal with them early to prevent damage. Growing cucumbers at home is not just satisfying, it's incredibly surprising how much you can harvest from just a few plants. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, cucumbers are a must-try in your garden. So get planting, and soon you'll be enjoying the fruits, literally, of your labor. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Your Channel Name, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a gardening tip. Happy gardening, and see you next time.